to filter data in Google Sheet. Drowning in too much of information, filter are the best friends in Google Sheets. With just few clicks, you can spotlight the exact data you need and hide the rest. Perfect for your analysis and decision making. Let's learn how to make your sheets clean and focused in seconds. So, open the data you want, use filter on. Over here in this, the filter is already on, but I'll teach you how to make it on, turn it on. So select the data, and then over there you can see the three dot icon. There simply you can see create a filter. Tap on it. Like this, a filter is turned on, and if you tap on the top one, there it will sort the data according to your conditions or by colors. Filter by conditions, none. Over here it's empty. Text contain, does it contain the text, does it the context or greater than or less than. You can add the filter and filter it out already. Filter by color. Over here you can see non-fill text color, what type you want. Like that you can filter the gaps and fill in the data that are required for it.